Okay, so the next product in the Cleanse and Restore Kit is Zendocrine Essential Oil Blend. So these are designed to support the organs of your body, so the liver and the kidneys in particular. So these are little capsules. They have sort of seaweed, plant-based gel caps, they're called, and it's just oils inside. It's kind of bright yellow, and the oils in this blend are tangerine peel, so again it has similar cleansing properties to the lemon, rosemary leaf, geranium plant oil, which is great for balancing hormones, by the way, so that's what can be one of the benefits if you have issues with your hormones. I mean, I'm 45 now, so this is quite useful to help me in the sort of pre-menopausal shift. So a geranium is particularly good for that. Then it's got juniper berry oil and cilantro leaf oil. So these are just going to support your kidneys and liver. So obviously your kidneys are flushing. They first have to filter the blood, and then they flush through and flush out the excess toxins that we don't need, the uric acid, urine basically, and all that other stuff that waste materials that we need to get out of the body from our blood, and that's the job of the kidneys. So they're so important, especially around the time of the change, when the control of our hormonal system shifts away from our ovaries, who kind of getting ready for retirement, frankly. And it had been the ovaries that kind of controlled our reproductive hormones, and now the emphasis is shifting from them to the adrenal glands that sit just on top of the kidneys. So that's why we can get those sort of hot flushes, and we can get strange symptoms going on when we're going through the change because it takes a while for the control system of the hormonal system to shift from the ovaries to the adrenal glands. So the best way to cleanse the adrenal glands, or to support them, is to support the kidneys, because they're kind of part of the kidneys. So anything that's really going to flush through the kidneys. If you really do have kidney issues, there's another kidney cleanse I can talk about separately that's kind of the big guns for the kidneys. Which basically consists of parsley water and some other herbs that you just drink continuously. It's like making tea out of parsley. So that would be a separate video. But in the meantime, as part of this kit, the Zendocrine oils are going to support your kidney and also your liver. So again, your liver is a huge, quite a big organ, and it really, again, cleanses your blood. And it helps with produce things to bile, to help you break down fat and protein and digest your food. And it really, again, filters a lot of toxins out of your liver, which then need to be excreted. So again, it's so important that our livers are functioning at their optimum levels. So this again is going to help support your liver. So, which in turn will support your digestion, and so on and so forth, in a virtuous cycle. So that's your Zendocrine. So some people like to take this all the way through their Cleanse and Restore program, and others suggest, as it does in the book actually, just to take it for the first 10 days. So that it's preparing your body. But personally, I would take it all the way through. It's kind of optional. I quite like the taste, and it smells divine. Oh, it's really, really nice combination. So I tend to take this on an ongoing basis at the moment, just to support me for the reasons that I just said. So that's your first 6 products, and I would take these for the first 10 days, all of them, of the Cleanse and Restore kit. So these are 4 a day each, so it could be 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening. Personally, I just take all 12 of these in the morning every day, so then I know I'm done. I could be eating lunch and dinner anywhere in the world. After that, I'll never know. But if I've had these in the morning, then I know I'm done for the day. And it really cuts down on cravings for me. So I'm not craving snacks and sugars and things because my body's already got its basic nutritional needs or minerals and stuff. It's got that covered. So these 6 are the first 10 days. At least take them every single day, if not, and these products all the way through the 30 days if you like. This was kind of optional. First 10 days definitely. I would suggest take them all the way through the 30-day cleanse. So